The next thing I want to talk about is this land deal because you told me about it, kind of blew my mind, and I wanted to break down a little more on here. Now, obviously, this isn't the average deal for you, or I mean, hopefully this is the average deal for you, but can you explain this land deal, like from start to finish? What is it? How much money you're making, and what are you going to do with the money?
Oh man, I don't spend any money on marketing, so I just have everything sitting there in the bank. I mean, this deal was a referral, like from a previous seller. It was actually It was three different properties. I bought all three myself. It was three different properties, two different sellers. One seller was a previous seller we did a deal with, or I did a deal with, and then a family member owned another property right next to it. So I got in touch with the family member. I bought all three. And then I bought all three for 26, and then I listed it, and it sold for 110, and it closed last Friday.
Wow. What was the net profit on that?
Net profit was about 78 grand and some change.
Oh my gosh. Wow. 78 grand. So you said you relisted it. So does that mean you actually closed on the deal?
Yeah, I bought that deal.
Bought yourself?
I bought all three. Yeah, I bought all three properties.
Wow. And you just was technically wholesaling it, right?
Yeah, wholesale land pretty much. I didn't do anything to it. I paid $100 for some drone shots, and it sold. I listed it and it sold in 6 days.
Wow. And who are you listing it with? Like a regular realtor?
Yeah. A friend of mine, his wife. So it was 1%.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
That's good stuff. So 78 grand there. So you don't have a lot of marketing spend. So obviously you got to figure out what to do with the money there, but that's gonna be a fun one.
Yeah. I don't know where to start, man. I don't spend any marketing. So it's all just sitting there. Like I have all this money in my bank and I have to start doing something with it.
I appreciate it. Hopefully something smart, but yeah, man. I mean, so many young wholesalers out there, like our age, 21 years old, that just go out there, they make a quick 100K in like a couple months. They go out, they buy the Lamborghini, like the Rolex, like everything, and they don't get the money back. So, that's insane, man. 78 grand at 21. Come on, guys. Like that's like, I mean, realistically, 18 months ago, before you start wholesaling, could you even imagine your life would be like this, or like you be making this money?
No, I mean, about a year and 6 months ago, I didn't even have a car.
Wow, that's amazing. I mean, geez,
I'm still trying to figure it out, man. I leave a lot of money on deals. Like I just sold a flip. I made 17K off of it, and the guy flipped it and he made 90K off of it. So I leave a lot of money on the table still because I'm still trying to figure it out.
I get it. I'm figuring out, like, I'm trying to figure out my own market. Like I made 20K a couple weeks ago on an assignment and the guy's going to make 60, 70 on it. I was like, I had no idea. I was like, thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.